Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or enable faster scrolling speed in the TikTok app. So this will apply for iOS and Android devices, basically anything that runs the TikTok app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up TikTok and select the profile icon on the bottom right. Then you want to select the hamburger icon in the top right corner and select settings and privacy. Underneath content and display, go down to accessibility and open that up. Underneath motion, faster scroll speed, double your scroll speed through videos. If you want to have that enabled, have it toggle to the right position like you see it on my screen. Otherwise, you can click inside the oval to turn it off like it is right now. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.